Hello everyone, RF Station would like to present our 5G mmWave phase array measurement solution. In this video, we will be measuring the radiation pattern of a mmWave phase array. So this is how the complete setup looks like. Let's go through the setup of individual equipment. First of all, we have the compact antenna test range, also known as CATR. Then we have the RNS ZNB series VNA. We are using the ZNB8 series to showcase the dual channel UD box 5G, which is an up-down converter. Then we have the turntable, which is part of the CATR system. The DUT is the B-board connecting to a 4x4 phase array. Then we look into the CATR system, where it consists of a reflector and a feed horn. Our feed horn can support from 26.5 GHz to 40 GHz. To control the B-board and the UD box 5G, we use Atenlab kit software where it provides the GUI to easily configure the devices. Here you can see both B-board and UD box are in the same GUI. The B-board is set in TX mode and all 4 channels are turned on. Then the UD box is configured by setting the desired RF frequency at 28 GHz and the IF frequency at 5 GHz. The LO frequency will be automatically configured based on the RF and IF frequency. By now, everything is ready and the measurement can begin. We are using Atenlab's Maxwell to control the turntable while capturing the data from the VNA. Shown here is a 2D turntable, which only gives us single axis measurement. We can also upgrade the turntable to a 3D dual axis turntable, which will give us 3D radiation pattern measurement. Within the Maxwell GUI, we can see the measurement data being recorded in real time. To view the results, we just need to load the measured data file into the Maxwell viewer. The Maxwell viewer is an easy to use GUI to visualize and analyze the 2D or 3D measured data. Here, we are looking at the measured radiation pattern of the mmWave phase array. Next, we beam steer the phase array from 0 degree to 30 degree by controlling the 4 individual phase steps on the B-board. And as you can see, we successfully steer the main beam from 0 degree to 30 degree. That's all for now. Do contact us to find out more about our CATR measurement solutions. Thank you.